Hey everyone, it's Tom here with ThisOnlineWorld.com and I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So welcome to a new series on the channel, Scam or Legit. In this series, I review popular money-making apps and websites, test out how much you can make with them, and ultimately decide if they're a scam or if they're legit. And so in this video, I'm covering AttaPoll, a very popular and global survey app that says you can earn PayPal cash and free gift cards in your spare time. So how much does AttaPoll pay and is it legit? Well, I tested out the app and I cashed out, and so in this video, I'm gonna tell you how the app works, how much money you can make, and if it's ultimately worth your time or not. Let's get to it. All right, so what is AttaPoll? Well, it's a free and global survey app that's available on both Android and iOS devices. And the app is available in dozens of different countries. So it's available in North America, plenty of countries in Europe, and plenty of countries in Asia, making it one of the more accessible survey apps out there. The app is also simple to use. I mean, you basically sign up with a free account, you answer a very brief demographic questionnaire that pays you a 10-cent sign-up bonus, and then you basically answer surveys as they become available in the app to start making money. All right, so how much does AttaPoll pay? This is really the important question everyone has when considering different survey sites or GPT sites and apps. And so I tested out AttaPoll to find out, and the answer actually surprised me. So I tested out the app for about 2 days, and most AttaPoll surveys you get pay about 10 to 25 cents. But if you look through my AttaPoll dashboard, which I'm just scrolling through right now, you can see in my history that I answered one survey for $1.86, one for 93 cents, and one for $1.10. Now, these higher paying surveys took me about 10 to 15 minutes each to complete. Some of the shorter ones that pay about 10 to 25 cents might only take you 3 or 4 minutes, so you're kind of in that ballpark. The highest paying survey I saw on AttaPoll paid about $2.50, and most of them, again, in that 10 to 25 cents ballpark. Sometimes you get ones that pay $1, $1.50. You sometimes get disqualified when you begin a survey, which is a little bit unfortunate, but AttaPoll often pays you, 2 or 3 cents as a bonus for just attempting surveys, which I like. But yeah, ultimately, you're not going to get rich with AttaPoll, but you can probably earn about $4 to $5 per hour, which is actually pretty decent in the survey space. You can also earn money by referring your friends to AttaPoll. You get a 50-cent bonus if you refer someone to join the app, and you also get 10% of their lifetime earnings. And one pro tip I want to show you guys if you're going to use AttaPoll is just go into your settings and enable max surveys in the settings to make sure that AttaPoll sends you as many survey opportunities as possible so you earn as much money as possible. All right, so cashing out. How do you actually get paid from AttaPoll? Well, it offers PayPal cash, free gift cards, and Revolut payments, so it's quite diverse on that front. Now, your country actually determines what rewards are available. So for me, I could only redeem free Amazon gift cards. I could redeem PayPal cash and Revolut payments as well, which was nice. And also your country determines what the minimum cash out amount is. So in Canada, it happens to be $4.50 for Amazon gift cards and $5 for PayPal. In the United States, I believe it's $2.50 for a lot of gift cards and $3 for PayPal, and the gift card variety is a lot better. But yeah, just looking through my dashboard, I cashed out $4.76 to Amazon in the gift card, and I like that it takes the entire balance. Like $4.50 is the minimum amount you have to withdraw, but then once you actually make a redemption, it just redeems your entire balance, which I thought was very nice. All right, so quickly, let's cover the pros and cons of AttaPoll. Well, first off, the app is just very easy to use. I've tested out lots of survey apps and websites over the years, and sometimes the UI is very buggy, especially on mobile phones. AttaPoll is very easy to use. AttaPoll also has a ton of surveys available. I mean, I can open my app and scroll through, and there's pretty much a dozen or more surveys available at any given time, which is really nice. And the third pro I really like is that PayPal cash is available, and there's a pretty low cash out requirement. Now, as for the cons, sometimes countries are a bit less lucrative with AttaPoll and other survey sites, so depending on where you live, you might not have that many surveys available. Secondly, the app doesn't really have a good sign-up bonus. You get that 10-cent bonus when you complete your profile, but again, some sites out there are giving $1, $5, or even $10 sign-up bonuses. And the third con I have to mention is just, low earning potential. You're not quitting your day job with this app. You're probably making, like I said, $3, $4, $5 per hour at most. All right, so it's time for the legit or not rating and final score. I'm actually gonna give AttaPoll a 4 out of 5 on this front, and it's important to compare apples to apples, right? I'm not trying to compare AttaPoll's earning potential to freelance writing or using gig economy apps, but rather I want to compare it to other survey apps and sites in the space, and on that front, AttaPoll does pretty well. I mean, it actually pays more per hour than a lot of leading survey companies out there, or at least it's competitive with them, and I found personally the disqualification rate wasn't too high, so I wasn't really getting frustrated. Anyways, guys, I think it's a legit survey app. I cashed out, I proved that it works, so I'm gonna link AttaPoll down below if you wanna check it out, as well as my AttaPoll review on ThisOnlineWorld.com that you can also read for some more information. And as for some alternatives, I'm also gonna link branded surveys down below because I think it's one of the better survey sites out there, and it also has a new mobile app, so you can kind of bounce between AttaPoll and branded surveys to make as much money as possible with your phone. But yeah, that does it for this AttaPoll review, my first ever episode of Legit or Scam, so I hope you guys have enjoyed. Hope you all have a fantastic week as well. And as always, don't forget to check out ThisOnlineWorld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.